Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable affiliate tracking in WordPress using robots.txt, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and click on Reading. Scroll down to find the option labeled Search Engine Visibility. Ensure the checkbox for Discourage search engines from indexing this site is unchecked. Next, navigate back to the left sidebar and click on Plugins. Search for a plugin that manages your robots.txt file. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, locate the plugin settings in the sidebar. Open the settings to edit your robots.txt file. Add the following lines to block affiliate tracking: user agent, asterisk, and disallow /path to affiliate links /. Replace /path to affiliate links / with the actual path used for your affiliate links. Save the changes once you've added the necessary lines. To verify the changes, open a new browser tab. Type your site's URL followed by /robots.txt to view the file. Check if your added lines are visible and correctly formatted. Now, perform a test by visiting your site from an incognito window. Check if the affiliate links are still accessible. If they are no longer accessible, your setup is successful. For any issues, revisit the plugin settings and ensure the syntax is correct. Consider clearing your site's cache if needed for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you'll have successfully disabled affiliate tracking in WordPress using robots.txt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.